2020-2021 Texas Bluebonnet Award nominee, No More Poems. My Secret Karate. There's a type of karate I specialize in. I invented it all on my own. No one has witnessed my secret karate. It's meant to be practiced alone. I stand on my left foot and raise my right leg, using muscles in abs, thighs, and tush. And with just the toe of my special blue sneaker, I make the toilet seat flush. I toggle the lever or mash down the button or lean on the handle just so. That way my fingertip never gets yucky, thanks to the skills of my toe. Courtesy's something my mom always taught me, starting when I was a kid. So using the toe of my special blue sneaker, I lower the seat and lid. My secret karate is practiced in private, in public bathroom stalls. I don't mean to brag, but my balance is awesome. I never touch the walls. I don't have a name for my potty karate. I might call it Tai Kwon Do. Or maybe I'll say I'm a 3rd-degree black belt in the top secret art of Kung Fu.